Hello everybody, so today we're gonna play pix2pix. So, I can't find the human one. The human one is just gone. So I'm gonna do the cat one because it's gonna be more weird. So, first thing I wanna do is just erase one of his eyes. Okay, one-eyed cat. And then replace it with another eye. Looking fabulous. What did I just do? Just do that. That's cool. That's way good. Shoes. We can create our own shoes. Nope. Not doing that. Cool, here you go. Just change the color of it. How do you like that? So we're gonna just put it down. We're gonna draw something that we're gonna draw a cat. So let's just draw a cat. A cute one. Not that cute one. Oh God, it's so hard to draw because I'm doing this on a laptop and I don't have a mouse. So that's why it's so hard to draw. And that's why it's gonna be so fun. And that's why I want to make this video like 20 minutes long. Look at that! That doesn't even look, that looks like a dog! Dexter, is that you? Yeah, I actually have a dog named Dexter. Look at those little legs. Boy, whose legs are them? It's not even attached to its body. What kind of legs? Okay, let's draw him I drawn him a Pikachu tail. Oh my God. A cool tail. Ah! What happened? Oh my God, it looks like I was watching Cat's Adventures and then I just broke the whole entire TV. No, I quit. I want my cat back. I don't like that cat. Give me it back. Thank you. So we're gonna just make his eyes just. That looks very like a demon. You might be thinking, but you're making the cat a demon. Of course it looks like a demon. Just shut up. Okay, let's look at this. It changed the whole entire color of the cat. Dude, look at that cat. You can't, what? Like, you can tell the difference. Yeah, so, freaking weird. I'm just going to erase his whole entire face off. I'm just going to erase him and just leave his lines there. That sound not. Oh my God, looks like an old man with wrinkles. We're gonna redraw him, but I'm not gonna redraw his body. No. Oh. Convenient. It's a demon! Alright, we'll go try to draw him. Go try to draw him back. I believe in you, little cat bro. We're gonna make his legs longer than ever. Just look at a cat And it's, look at that cat. That cat's thick. Okay, I have to stop making jokes about demons because that's actually a demon. Like, his tail just, like, it looks like he ate a brush and now he's just pooping it out. Cleo. I'm going to draw an angry cat. That cat angry. Angry cat. Angry cat. Why was I up there? Why was I up there? Okay, evil cat. Do the angry face. Do the angry face, but let me raise your face first. Because he can't have an angry face without. Because he can't have an angry face without no face. Okay. He's like, what? He's like looking at that cat, just judging him. Stop! I'm just gonna draw a cat, okay? This is gonna be, we're gonna draw a cat. A real cat. See, look. Go draw a cat. See, look, I drew a cat. You just changed a cat into a real cat. Okay, so, it's a owl. Oh, I almost forgot. We're gonna make a quack with a quack Christmas tree. What do you call a cat that says I quit? I quack. Yeah, we taught Joseph Anthony that won on purpose. Oh no. So we're gonna draw some ornaments. Let's draw some ornaments on the tree. And my buddy Wasco, my elf on the shelf, he's watching me create a monstrosity. So I think I'm gonna get coal for Christmas. And also, I want to make this a good Christmas tree. We'll go draw my buddy Wasco. Wacko, my boy, you know. The Bible's lit. Yeah, memes with Anthony. That looks like a witch hat. Okay. Oh my God, he's giving that little smile like, I see you. Look at that. Look at that Christmas tree. Look at... Oh! What? You tried to draw the ornaments as eyes? You got the shape right, but no, oh my God. And you tried to do that as like the eels. No, you tried to do these as the eels, and this as the mouth, and these, and this, and these as, and like the ornaments down here as legs. Why would you do that to my Christmas tree? We do this Christmas tree. We do it. Yeah, we need to redo it. It's not good. Ow, I just fell on my tail. Okay. Look, I just spit all over my computer screen. So, oh, Christmas tree. You guys in the Christmas spirit? Because I am. Not anymore. You just ruined it. You just ruined that Christmas spirit. Okay, let's make a good Christmas tree. I can't stop looking at that little cat Christmas tree. Looks like something out of a video game. That's a mountain. We need to draw some ornaments. Imagine it just being like 500 eyes. Like, imagine that. And then, like, actually, that looks quite good. I was right. Oh my god. We might as well draw it legs. Just draw it little legs. I don't know what I'm doing. I just want... You know what? I'm hacking this. Okay, these are actually real hacks. Okay, I don't like this. I quit. So I'm just gonna go like... Done. I'm done. See, look, I did it. Oh! Every time I hit process, it just gets worse and worse. How do I double click to make it like... To make me always draw wherever I click? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna make this a chessboard. We're making a chessboard, guys. We're making a freaking chessboard. Look at that. That looks like an alligator pulse. I know what that is because my teacher showed me it. Yeah. So I have a Bonnie mask right here. He saw that in all the vids, so I'm gonna try to draw it. Because when I first know... Stop doing that. Just stop doing that. So we'll go draw the eyes first. That's actually a very good eye. How did I do that? He likes has those little eyes like I'm not having a good day, but why did I make it a ninja? Why did I make it a ninja? Why everything? Why? Stop highlighting trained. That looks like a bald guy. Give him a little nose. Wow. Looks like Patrick on drugs. Oh my god. Why did you make the nose an avocado? Why? Look at that. Look at that. Let's just erase them out, because I think that just ruined it. And erase all the things in the back. Wait, erase that, because that even ruined it even more. Nope!